today I'm sharing my collections of different barbecues and grills that we bring to the RV with us when we go camping. Because for us, we only camp like a short period of time, like on the weekends, 2-3 nights. So it depends on what we want to eat for that weekend, and we'll just bring different grills or barbecue along with us. First, we have this cast iron grill. It has both sides. So for one side, we could grill hamburgers and steaks. The other side, we could do fajitas, fried eggs, bacons, all kinds of things. And the burner is a very strong burner. It has, was it 13 BTU?
13,000.
13,000 BTU. It's very powerful. So it's been working really well. We really like it. Okay, and this one uses the little butane cans like this. It's also pretty convenient to bring along also because they are small.
And it lasts a couple hours.
Yes, but we always forget to bring extra. So I always forget to bring stuff. So the next one is the Induction cooktop. We bought this when we first have our previous RV, and for that we use this pan that it works with gas or induction cooktop, and it has a removable handle which works really well. So we could fry eggs, make bacons, we even make hamburgers on here. So basically we could cook everything also. And so if I need to boil some pasta or some boiled eggs, just put water in there, put this handle back on, and use the induction cooktop for outdoor cooking. For this, we have to turn on the generator and plug it in with the extension cord. Okay.
How do you open it?
Unlock it first, pop it out. Yay! And this is the Coleman Fold and Go grill. It's pretty compact. We bought this when we had our previous RV also, and it comes with the grill plate like this, but we bought this attachment so that we could grill vegetable or fry eggs or bacons on here. And if we want to grill hamburgers, steaks, or shish kebab, that's what we use it for also, and we grill it on here. And I also bought this attachment, let's see, to go on here so that if we want to boil some eggs or pasta, same thing, we could use it like this. And one thing I like about this pot and pan set is that it works for gas and induction cooktops. And with the removable handle. Got it. And for this, it uses the 1 pound propane tank, just a tiny little one. So this one is also very compact, and everything fits into a bag that we bought. Don't have to buy it, but they make a bag for it that you could put the propane tanks, one on each side. That way I won't forget to bring the propane tanks. And everything fits in here, even the extra attachments. So I really like this one also. And as you can see in our previous videos, we use the Ninja a lot too when we feel like we want to make some hot wings, and it makes really good hot wings.
Yay!
Yay, right? We use it a lot, so you could tell. It's a little dirty.
Corn.
Oh yeah, corn on the cob. We grill corn on the cob. What else did we make on here?
Costco chicken bake.
Oh yeah. And just, heat up anything we want in here, like bread. Oh yes, we also grill vegetable in here also. Oh, French fries.
Yes,
Remember?
French fries.
We made some French fries. We put frozen pot stickers from Costco. Put them in here, spray some oil, and that comes out really good. But with this, we have to also plug it in. We have to turn on the generator and plug it in, so no propane. For the Ninja, I also bought a bag for it. Is this bag? It fits perfectly. It protects the Ninja in the van, and it's just easier to carry it, from the van to the table or to carry it inside our house, and it's well protected. And besides, I love organization, so everything has a place.
So, honey, which one's your favorite?
I would have to say for portability, if I need to carry other stuffs in the back of the van, I will probably bring this set, the burner, and the cast iron, since it could make a lot of different kinds of food on here. So I would bring this because this is pretty compact. Actually, this also comes with the case. So this goes in here, and the cast iron, I just put it in a bag, and it's pretty easy to store too. So this is also compact, but it doesn't produce a lot of heat.
And you have to plug it in.
And we have to plug it in. So most of the time we don't bring this. We have been bringing this a lot lately. And this one is also very portable. It's only that size, so it's pretty compact to go in the back of the van. But the problem with this is that it's not too hot also, but it's hot enough to cook and grill. So
It's light. It's very lightweight.
yeah, it's very lightweight if we don't want to carry something heavy, and it could cook everything also. And for the Ninja, of course, when we have craving for hot wings or French fries, right? We have to bring the Ninja because we cannot really make hot wings on the other stuff, or we cannot do French fries on the other stuff either. So then we would bring the Ninja. Yeah, overall, I love all of them actually.
No favorites.
No favorites.